I'm Melissa, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ, and this is the fan stitch. To create the fan stitch, you either need a grid or a diamond shape pattern. To start, we want to bring our needle up at the corner of our grid here, and we are going to make a straight stitch down to the bottom corner, like so. Now we're going to make our next prong on the fan. So we come up slightly away along that top line again. And we go back down in that bottom left corner again here. All of our stitches will end in that bottom left corner. And then again, we come up on that top line again, like so. And back in that bottom left corner. And now we go all the way out to the right corner here. Back down in our bottom left corner. And now we work on the right side. So we come out to the right side here. Go back down in our bottom left corner. We add another one on that right side here. Back down in our left corner. And one more to fill out the bottom. Like so. And that is our fan stitch. You can use it as a standalone or to fill in spaces or to create borders. So I hope you have fun creating the fan stitch.